Hey, what's up guys? So welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna restore my headlights. I'm gonna try to clean them up, try to make them nice. They kind of look like that right now. And then hopefully this kit helps out. Hopefully this kit works out and then we get them looking kind of fresh. Let's go ahead and turn on the car, head out to my sister-in-law's. And I'll show you guys more about the hydraulic brake. And then the bracket right here, I'm gonna have to make a new one because it's all in the way. It's too much. Looks like it doesn't look good right now. Gonna have to clean it up here soon. Yeah, let me show you how they look right now. I mean, they're not too bad, but you can kind of see that they're a little faded, especially right there. Since I'm already here, I'm gonna go ahead and take off this little thing right here. Go ahead and take that one off. It's supposed to look like this one. It looks pretty nice and clean. So yeah, let me go ahead and get a towel, wipe it down so you guys can get a better look of it. It's a little wet right now. Right now it's raining pretty hard. I don't know if you guys, I'm pretty sure you guys can hear it. And then I was gonna change out my spacer in the back. So it's in the back I had that 20 mil and it was rubbing. Yeah, it was rubbing right over here from where I got hit. Alright guys, so you guys can kind of see how faded it is. I'm gonna put my light on it so you guys can get a better look. Yeah, so let's see how good this kit works. It comes with the sanding. It comes with the sandpaper, and then we'll see. We'll buff it out, and then we'll see how good it comes out. Alright guys, when you guys do this, make sure you guys tape off your guys' car or around the headlight. Tape off around the headlight, so when you're sanding stuff down, it doesn't scratch your paint. But real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and lift up my hood. Finish taping right here, and I notice that I have a gap right here again. So I'm guessing one of the noodle sticks, they probably came apart. But I'll check that out here soon. Or I can just go ahead and just take off the bumper real quick. That's a cool thing about having these quick release bumper kit. Just like that, and then it comes right off. And I'm guessing from what it looks like, this thing slipped forward. It should have been like that. So it came down like this, and then it needs to be hanging up. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. Well, it's done now. I'll probably put more zip ties on it. And then yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood open, lift that up, take that off the hood, get started on the headlight over there real quick. I'm gonna put more water on it. It's still a little faded, so I'm gonna go ahead and buff it out with this little compound right here. This plastic polish. That's how good it works. And I haven't done this side yet, so we'll see how it looks after that. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. So this side looks pretty good. I haven't done this side yet, so you can kind of see which one looks brand new, which one doesn't. And then you come over here and compare them. This one has this little stuff down here. Let me go ahead and wipe it down. So yeah, came out pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side real quick and then we'll come check it out once it's all done. Alright guys, so I got some bad news. I left the heat gun at my house, so I'm about to take this out some other day. I can try to peel it back off, but it's gonna break in little pieces and it's not really worth it. But yeah, the headlight's already done. Looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead, do the other side. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull my 20 mil spacer back on the right side or the driver's side of the car. Because right now, this one has a 20, that one has a 15, and this one has the 15 mil spacer in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch that out. It's raining pretty hard right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Right now I just made a mess right here. And over here. And I made a mess right over here too on my sweats. When I first went to open it up, I took off the seal and then I kind of squeezed on it and it came off. I also need to clean off my air intake. It's all black and nasty. Alright guys, so I went ahead and taped this side up already. So I'm not gonna sand this one down, I'm just gonna buff it out. It has the glue residue of the other one from the 10 that I had on it. I'm gonna go ahead and sand this one down, see if we can get rid of this stuff right here and the little scratching right here. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Oh yeah, so this one's all done now. It's still a little faded, but it looks pretty good compared to how it used to look. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this tape, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my wheel spacer back on. So yeah, and then you guys already saw this side. I went ahead and buffed it out a little bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car, take off the tire, and put the spacer back on. I guess I already took off the tire, the car's already jacked up. Put a jack right here just in case the jack doesn't work that good. I'm gonna get the 20 mil spacer. This one's the 15. I'm gonna go ahead and slap this one right here, and we'll see how it looks with that one on. This is the new rotor. Looks pretty good. This one's already getting rusted out. Go ahead and clean this off a little bit. But yeah, that should be fine. Go ahead and slap this one on. This one's just a tight fit, but it's supposed to be for the car, but I don't know what happened with that. Go ahead and hit it. And boom, just like that. Put this one on. And we'll see how it looks with this little more. I feel like this one's like a 5 mil maybe. Just gonna bring it out a little bit more. We'll see how it looks. So let me go ahead and put the tire back on, and then we'll drop it down and see how it looks. And if it stops raining, I'm gonna go ahead and put the 15 mil in the back, so it doesn't look so goofy in the back. Alright guys, so I got everything back on together, and it's coming down pretty hard. I'm gonna go ahead and lower down the car, and then we'll see how it looks. I gotta move this. Forget about that. Looks pretty good. It does stick out a little bit more than the other one. Go ahead and put the bumper back on, and then I got the heat gun. My girlfriend came and dropped it off for me, so shout out to her. And hopefully this cools down a little bit. If it doesn't cool down, I'll put that 15 mil on another day. And I'm gonna go ahead and tighten down the bolts or the lug nuts. I'm gonna tuck them down, and then I'll go ahead and take off that. And go ahead and take this off real quick. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and use this heat gun real quick. We'll put it on low. Try to get this thing hot. Yeah, so it's coming off now. I mean, it looks cool, but it's all faded out. We'll go ahead and warm it up a little bit more. Don't want to get too close to the headlight. Don't want to mess it up. Oh, boom, just like that. She's off. So I'm gonna go ahead. So right now it's like sticky. I'll probably let it be like this for a while, and when I can, I'll try to clean it off. There's no point of sanding this down. I can probably buff it out, but I don't think that would even work. Too much glue on it. So yeah, I think that should be good. I mean, it looks good. Gonna match the other side now. And this one looks pretty nice and clean. Do need to get some headlights because that one kind of don't match the headlights a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead, put the bumper back on, take off the tape around this. So I'll see you guys in a bit. You guys, so everything's all done now. And to be honest, it looks pretty clean. Now that the bumper's back on, the hood shut. This one's matching. I'm gonna stop braiding, but I'm not gonna put that spacer on. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up. Good. And the headlights. The headlights look pretty good. They came out pretty good. So yeah. And right here, when I was sanding this down, I kind of sanded this little. I kind of hit this right here, this little spot, when the paint came off. That's all good. I'm not too worried about it. And then here soon I'm gonna get a whole new body kit, new wheels, a new motor, some new seats, and then the roll cage. So yeah, I'm still not done with this car. This car still has a lot more stuff that I can do to it. Then once I'm all done with that, I'm gonna pick up a new car. So yeah guys, it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.